In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView's drawing tools for effective trading analysis. Whether you're new to TradingView or looking to refine your technical analysis skills, using these tools can significantly enhance your charting capabilities and help you make better informed trading decisions. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to TradingView. TradingView is a powerful charting platform that's widely used by traders of all levels around the world. Once you're on the TradingView site, the first tool we're going to look at is the drawing line. This tool allows you to draw various types of lines on your charts. You can use it to outline trends, mark potential breakouts, or even create channels. The flexibility of drawing different lines, such as trend lines or horizontal lines, gives you a visual representation of key levels in your trading strategy. Next up, we have the Fibonacci tools. TradingView offers several different types of Fibonacci retracement and extension tools. These are particularly useful for identifying potential support and resistance levels based on historical price movements. By applying the Fibonacci tools, you can get a better understanding of where a market might retrace its steps or find new support during an uptrend or a downtrend. Beyond Fibonacci, let's explore the use of patterns. TradingView enables you to construct and detect various chart patterns, like head and shoulders or triangles. These patterns can be pivotal in formulating your approach to market movements, as they often signal reversals or continuations. Take the time to explore these patterns. They're a valuable part of any technical trader's toolkit. Now let's move on to positions, specifically long and short positions. TradingView provides tools for plotting potential long or short positions directly on your chart. This is incredibly useful for planning your trades in advance and visualizing potential profit and loss points. It's an excellent way to align your strategy with your risk management plan. Switching gears, we have geometric shapes. Using shapes like rectangles or ellipses allows you to highlight areas of interest or consolidation zones on your charts. By doing this, you can quickly recall significant price levels and zones that might warrant further analysis in the future. Additionally, there's a text tool that lets you annotate your charts. This feature is invaluable for tracking your thought process, labeling key events or indicators, and making notes that are specific to your analysis. Keeping clear, concise notes can help you maintain consistency and improve your decision-making over time. Finally, we come to the ruler tool. This tool is perfect for measuring distance in terms of price movement, commonly known as pips. By using the ruler, you can quickly compute pips between two price points, which can be vital for assessing the potential value of a trade or gauging volatility. With these tools at your disposal, you're now ready to harness the full power of TradingView's drawing features. Experiment and practice using these tools as you craft your personalized trading strategy. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy trading.